Okay naman ako. Feeling great. Feel happy nandito ako ngayon kasi it's not always na makapag-perform kami in front of our fans,
Yes, 'di ba? Ang daming surprises natin sa mga fans natin today. Pero bago natin kausapin ang mga media people natin, nakasama natin today, para sa'yo, Sir Felipe, ano ang pinaka-memorable experience mo last Feb, kasi di ba magkakasama tayo ng February, sa Close-Up Red MV Watch Party. Ano yung mga highlight ng Feb event natin for you?
Definitely, yung hindi sobrang memorable yung for the first time napanood ko yung music video ng Red version ng Moving Closer by Close-Up. And isa pa doon yung na-meet ko yung Don Bell.
Yes.
And especially yung fans nila. And pinaka-memorable yung 18 na nandun, yung Flea,
Yes.
Cecil, mga nandun sila.
Yes, of course. And we're here to make more memories happen. Pero for now, let's talk to our media friends. Let's call on Ms. Ali Calinao from PEP. I think may question siya for Sir Felipe. Ms. Ali. Hello, Ms. Ali.
Hi Ken, my name is Ali from pep.ph. So my question is, how important is smelling good to you when meeting someone for the first time? Do you have a go-to scent?
Sorry po. Ano po yan?
Medyo umi-echo kasi. Oo, medyo umi-echo.
How important is smelling good to you when meeting someone for the first time? Do you have a go-to scent?
Yan. How important daw yung smelling good? Tama po ba, Miss Ali?
Smelling good.
Kapag may nami-meet ka daw na person for the first time.
Importante siya kasi as an artist, hindi lang bilang artist kahit, and everyday, mo lang, pag may lakad ka, ganun, it's important to smell good and nakaka-boost siya ng confidence, especially pag, for example, like, mabango yung breath mo, ganun.
Yeah.
While talking to people, like meeting new people. So, yeah, it gives so much confidence sa tao. Yeah.
So do you have a go-to scent?
Go-to scent. May go-to scent ka ba?
Pag-perfume siguro, mas ako sa fresh kasi mainit kasi sa Pilipinas eh. So, gusto ko yung cool, na scent and fresh lang.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so next question lang. What's your biggest dating mishap or embarrassing moment while trying to impress someone?
Magkakaalaman
What?
tayo, Sir Ken. Siya ang nagtanong.
Dating. Meron ba?
Baka naman wala, o di ba? Meron ba? Baka naman wala.
Parang wala eh.
We are happy for you na wala, o di ba? Gusto natin yung ganyan, walang dating mishap na walang embarrassing moment. Very
Kailangan, you gotta keep your cool, di ba? Ganun dapat always kasi, syempre, ayaw mo naman na mamaya ma-disappoint sa'yo
Ayan.
yung dinidate mo. So as much as
Ayan.
possible, you gotta try everything, and you gotta do everything just to impress the girl that you love or just impress the guy that you like. So, yeah.
Thank you so much, Miss Ali. Parang ako pinagpapawisan sa mga questions dito. Okay.
Pinagpawisan ka, ako yung pagpapawisan dito, parang
Ikaw
na-hot
may
seat ako.
Hindi, sa jacket lang yan. Sa jacket lang. Hindi sa tanong, Sir Felipe. Okay. Asan po si Sir Christopher Pernell from Philstar? Ayan. Hello, Sir Chris.
Hello po.
Hello. Hi, Philip. Good afternoon. Congrats
Afternoon
by the way
po.
on this. So, bilang nasa close-up tayo, in your opinion, how long does it take para ang isang tao maging close sa isa pang tao?
Wow.
Gaano katagal para masabi mong close mo na? Tama po ba yon? Yes.
Ang hirap.
Napapaisip ka ngayon bigla talaga naman.
Meron kasi silang tinatawag na yung parang kahit first time nyo palang mag-meet, you feel like, parang comfortable or compatible kayo with each other. And meron ding matagal na magkakilala, they're just, like, kinikilala nila ng mas malalim yung isa't isa. And, yeah, it depends siguro sa it depends sa person. Merong short, and then like, talagang close na sila agad or nagkakagustuhan na sila. Meron ding mas mahaba kasi gusto na lang kilalanin pa yung isa't isa. Yun po.
Thank you so much, Sir Chris. May question.
Galing ko dun
Pahabol na question.
Okay po, okay po.
Given that, Anong advice mo sa mga taong gustong maging close sa isang tao?
Advice mo sa mga taong gustong may maging ka-close. Ay, sabi ni ate dun sa likod ni Sir Chris, mag-toothbrush with close-up.
gusto
Ang galing mo dyan, madam.
I think, yeah.
Diba?
I think,
Oh,
yeah.
Bibigyan kita ng time mag-isip.
Come on.
Gusto mo ba mag-isip?
Ang hirap talaga.
Pass.
Yeah, other than smelling good, I think, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, as much as possible, make someone happy. And, you know, I know na hindi sa lahat ng oras, pagiging, happiness yung nandyan. Andun yung struggles na darating, but still, you gotta be there whenever, like, he or she needs you. So, yeah. Support. Yung support talaga. Tsaka communication always. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sir Chris. Maraming salamat. And now let's move on to Sir Christian Lee, eccentric yet happy.
I'm Mel from Manila Concert Junkies.
Ay, hello
Hi,
din
Bo.
po.
Good afternoon.
Kumusta, Philip?
Mahirap pa ba yung question ninyo?
Hindi naman!
Hindi naman, no?
My question is, given that you are already a talented and skilled individual, do you still intend to learn new skill or hobby? If yes, what are these?
Ulitin po
Ano po
natin,
yan?
madam, kasi grabe yung echo, yung echo
Sorry po.
talaga dito eh. Quiet tayo, guys. Wait. Okay, madam, go.
Given that you are already a talented and skilled individual, do you still intend to learn new skills or hobbies? If yes, ano yun?
Oh, definitely, yeah. You know, every day, yung person talaga, madami pang sobrang daming kailangan matutunan. Even like professional athletes, professional singers, dancers, araw-araw meron pa talagang mga bagong skills na kailangan matutunan. And for me, there are a lot of things that, you know, gusto ko ring matutunan. Especially when meeting new people. Especially yung speaking skills ko because I'm not that good with, you know, pakikipagsalamuha sa iba't ibang tao. So that's a kind of like skill na gustong-gusto ko matutunan talaga.
Thank you so much,
Salamat
madam.
po.
Meron pa tayong additional question. Okay, thank you so much to our media people. And eto, may last question ako sa iyo, Sir Felipe.
Yep.
Talaga, para namang Tito Boy Abunda talaga atake ko dito. So, syempre, napag-usapan na natin yung mga cool, fresh, di ba? Yung kilig-kilig natin ngayong araw. Ano naman yung mga bagay na natutunan mo as a close-up endorser na magagamit mo sa life as one of the P-pop kings? Parang pang-pageant yung tanong
You know what?
ko.
I learned to smile often.
Yan.
Kasi dito talagang mapipilitan. De, joke lang. Bro, you know, it gives so much, you know, warmth pag nag-smile ka talaga. I mean, I learned that so much, but ako kasi, hindi ako yung tipo ng tao na pala smile eh. Yeah, but, you know, seeing my fans there, mapapasmile ka eh kasi, you know, the support, the love, yung warmth ng love na binibigay nila sa'yo. It gives you, parang, ano ba tawag dito?
Very
Parang-
comforting na agad eh. Kapag
Yeah, it's, parang hindi ko siya ma-explain eh. So, hindi mo pigilan, mag-smile ka na lang na para kang parang out of nowhere, parang But, you know, it just means that I'm happy to see them. So, yeah. Smile talaga, yung pag-smile palagi.
Yes, and we are very grateful sa close-up na sabi nga ni Sir Felipe ay he smiled more often at gusto natin yan. Pero bago yan, I will have to let you go muna. Kasi ayoko na iinitan si Sir Felipe, di ba? Pero mamaya makakabonding pa natin siya. 18 sisiws, palakpakan natin, Sir Felipe. Thank you so much!